not very difficult. I need you to not talk while I'm talking. We're looking at 10.4. We're going to solve polynomial equations in factored form. Okay? Zero product property. We're going to let A and B be real numbers. If A times B equals 0, then A equals 0, or B equals 0. The zero product property is used to solve an equation when one side is 0 and the other side is a product of polynomial factors. The solution of such an equation are also called roots. So what would roots be? What does that mean if we're looking at a graph of a polynomial? What would it look like? Roots, zeros, solutions. It's where the graph crosses what? The x-axis, okay? So these are if they're set up equal to 0. Okay, the one below with the vertical motion model, we won't be doing one just like that today, but whenever they talk about vertical motion, you've got to find this equation. The height equals negative 16 times the time squared plus the initial velocity times time plus the initial height. Okay, there won't be one like that today, but we will be doing those in the future. You need to pay attention to that. Okay, we're looking at solving this equation. X minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. Now, you guys know how to FOIL it, but you don't have to when it's set equal to 0. We're trying to solve it. This is how this works. It's really simple. You've got x minus 4 equals 0, and x plus 2 equals 0. Now we're just solving. We're going to add 4 to both sides, and we get x equals 4. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides, and x equals negative 2. Okay? What this means is our graph of the parabola crosses 4 and 2 like this. We found out the solutions. You didn't have to use the quadratic formula. You didn't have to graph. Okay? We found out what the solutions were across the x-axis. Pretty simple, right? Okay. What if you have x plus 5 squared equals 0? So you've got x plus 5 equals 0, right? And x plus 5 equals 0 because there's 2 of them. That makes sense? Squared means there's 2. So we subtract 5 from both sides. X equals negative 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. X equals negative 5. This would mean our parabola looks something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like it touches, just crosses it once. Great. I'm going to do another one that's not on your paper. So if you could add this one. This is going to help you with your homework. What if I have x times x plus 3 squared, this whole thing equals 0? All it is x equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0, and x plus 3 equals 0. So you've got x could be 0, it could equal negative 3, or it could equal negative 3. All right, let's turn it over and do the last 3. X plus 2, 2x plus 1, times 3x minus 2 times x minus 1 equals 0. So there's 3 of them. So you're just going to have 3. 2x plus 1 equals 0. 3x minus 2 equals 0. And x minus 1 equals 0. And then you got to solve all of them. Subtract 1. 2x equals negative 1. Divide by 2. X equals negative 1/2. Next one, we're going to add 2. 3x equals 2. Divide by 3. x equals 2/3. And the last one, we're going to add 1. X equals 1. Is everybody with me so far? Okay, this is exactly what your homework looks like. Should not be bad at all. All right, please get out your writing. You're going to start on that.